In this quick and simple video guide, we're going to see how we can download free audio files, free sound effects, free music from freesound.org, which is a website and it is giving free sounds and free sound effects for you to use for your video games or video editing or audio editing, whatever you need it for. So for your projects in general. So if you go here to free sounds, you can go to the sound section, and here you will find a lot of sounds. So first of all, you can see you can play back, you can play the audio file and hear what it's about. And then you can see here you have the name of the file and the various tags and other little buttons on the right. I'm gonna explain everything to you in just a minute. You can also do a search if you're looking for something specific. For example, I'm gonna look for waterfall, and here I will find a lot of audio files that I can play and I can hear and see which one fits my needs the most. So I can just play, try the file, and again here you have the name of the audio file, and then you have also some really short description, the author right here. Then you can look for similar sound by clicking on these little headphones right down here, and this is the type of license. So you can see here if this is a sound that can be used also commercially on, or it can be used only by crediting the author, or if it's 0, which means CC0 or public domain. So most of them are public domain, and CC BY, which is the attribution type, which means that you just need to credit the author to use it in whatever you want to use it in, even commercial projects. So you find other icons here, and the gray one is for the license, and then you have this other one here, like a folder, which means that this is part of a pack of different sounds. So if you click on the folder, it's going to bring you to the package of the various sounds or music that it's included in this one. And again, if you click on the headphones, you will find similar sounds of the one that you are looking at or selecting. And then you have this one here, this like red circle, which means that it's going to give you the exact geolocalization. So it's going to be geolocated sounds. And that's pretty much it. This is what you find here. And also, like, you have the number of downloads and comments and other information here and there. So when you are interested in one of these, we can just select one. So let's say you can see also different formats. So you have MP3, you have WAV or AIF and other types of formats. So you need to pick the one that you can work with. Be careful not to use a format that is not readable by the software that you're gonna use to work with that. And I've used sound effects also in 3D animations and video games and so on. So you can really use them for many reasons, and sometimes they have their own format. So you need to make sure that you have the right format. So once you get everything clear, the format, the license, and whatever, you can click and see more information in the page concerning the particular sound. And another important thing, you need to log in to download, which means you need to create a username or just type your email and create a password. They're going to send you an activation code on your email. Just click on the activation code and you're in. Once you're in, then you can start to download. Here again, you have some information about Creative Commons licenses and the type of file, the duration, the file size, and well, more in-depth information about that. Now let's make an example. Here I am in my account. I've just logged in. So if I click on this free music that I've searched, you can see here now I can see the download button, and I can click there, and there it is. So it's going directly in the download. Really quick, easy, simple, free. So I think this is an excellent website for you to find sounds and sound effects and audio files and so on. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel to see more. If you want, you can support us by joining the channel as a supporter, and please check our other video courses and video guides in the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.